In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish ideas in Tradingview. Start by setting up your chart with everything you need. Load the symbols and timeframes you'll reference. Then add the indicators you rely on, moving averages. RSI volume, anything that supports your thesis. Clean up your layout so it's easy to read, adjust colors and scales. Hide anything that clutters the view and place drawing tools like trend lines. Support and resistance zones or Fibonacci levels clearly. Label key areas so viewers instantly understand what they're looking at. When your chart looks the way you want, head to the top right corner of the chart view and click the Publish button. Depending on your interface, it may appear as an up arrow. This opens the publishing panel where you'll choose how to share. Select your idea type. Choose Publish Idea for a written post with images and notes, or pick Record Video Idea if you want to walk through your analysis on screen with voice. Pick whichever format helps you explain your thinking most clearly. Next, add your content. Start with a precise, useful title, like BTC/USD long setup, key support reached. Make it specific enough that readers immediately know the asset. And key context. In the description, lay out your reasoning step by step. Explain what you are seeing technically or fundamentally. Then include the practical details, entry points, target prices, and stop-loss levels. If a scenario depends on a certain confirmation, say that. Keep your language clear and avoid jargon unless you define it. Add tags related to the asset class, your strategy, and the indicators you used, so the right audience can find your idea. Set your visibility and type. Choose public if you want the idea visible to everyone, or private if you are keeping a personal record. Then select the type. Analysis if you are presenting a forecast, or tutorial if you are teaching a concept. Finally, set sentiment to long, short, or neutral to reflect your directional bias accurately. Before you publish, review everything. Make sure the chart matches your description. Levels are correct, and your risk parameters are stated clearly. When it all looks good, click Publish Idea to share it. That's it. Thanks for watching.